and welcome back to our channel. We are the Southern Bells.
My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we forgot how to do this.
Yeah, we forgot how to do our intro because we were gone for so long.
I'm not even sure we did it on the last one.
I'm not sure either, but we got the video made and
That's
everything,
right.
So we're back in business.
And we've heard from a lot of you, so thank you for your well wishes.
Yes, we appreciate that.
Yeah, we do. We missed y'all too very much. But we are here today with our
Ipsies. And I'm so happy because I thought my Ipsy wasn't going to get here. It took like a week and a half to get here. And usually it's just a couple of days.
It just got here this morning because when did we actually videoed the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus yesterday.
And we were talking about how I didn't have it yet. So
yeah,
so it came in this morning. It was good luck. Making our video yesterday was good luck.
There we go. Maybe we'll have some other, I really don't know what we have coming in. So we'll see. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Dig right in.
Here into these packages.
Oh, I got something on the outside.
Mine feels very full. Okay. So, I have something on the outside too. I'll put it down here so you can't see it. So these are see-through bags.
And they're, what would you call it? What's the
like vinyl?
Kind of. I guess that's what you would call it.
Yeah.
It's kind of softer, squishier version of it.
They're nice, and they say Dream. The Dream is in mostly white, but there's also one that says in blue at the front. That's cool.
Pretty.
Okay. Who wants to go first? Can I go first?
You go first.
Okay.
You waited so long.
Yay! So I'm going to start with the thing that was outside my bag, and they are face masks, and it has 2 face masks. So for Christmas, Mama got me like a hair turban for after you shower and wash your hair, and I can't wait to use a face mask with my hair turban. It'll feel like a spa day. So I got one Centella repairing mask and one Shea Butter nourishing mask. They are Dr. Huang Beauty Lab, and they are vegan. They're vegan, so they're like cruelty free. So I think that these are, they're sheet masks, not the, like cream masks.
Either one of those would probably be good for you right now after having been sick for a little while. And
yeah, I think so. One, strengthen and nutritious.
So, you know, when you're sick, it does seem to
mess up your skin.
To do something.
In fact,
I was your whole body.
Yeah, I was just saying this morning that my skin seemed like it was more blotchy than it had been, so these will come in handy.
And she was talking about her turban. If you don't watch Nancy Rounds, y'all need to go and watch her. She did a Mask Monday, and she had the cutest turban, and I immediately thought of Rebecca because it was just something that...
It was so fun.
It was.
I'm not going to give away what it was, but you have to go see it.
You'll have to go, and so I'll try to put, if you'll help me, I'll try to put her link down below so you can go and see that video. She's
definitely.
Just, I love watching her. She just always makes me smile.
Oh yeah, she's sweet.
Okay,
your turn.
My turn. Okay. So this was what was outside my box, and this is Catherine Malandrino.
Ooh.
Perfume. They love me.
She finally got perfume.
This is my very first perfume ever in what, 2 years, 2.5 years?
Maybe 3. Well, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. Wow.
Now, Catherine Malandrino, I don't know if you've ever heard of her. The only time, or when I heard of her, it was through my FabFitFun, and I actually have this beautiful poppy umbrella that was Catherine Malandrino.
Oh, yeah, that is a pretty umbrella.
I look at her packaging, and I think, you know, she's got such pretty
style.
Everything's pretty.
Very girly and elegant. It's very elegant styling.
Okay, now y'all know how sensitive I am with my scent, so we're going to see if how Ipsy did on that.
Let's see.
And I will say there's a lot of perfume I don't
care for.
I don't like at all, so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to try it.
I'm crossing my fingers for her.
What it looks
Please
like.
let it be good.
It's pretty. Okay, I got to find that knot. There's the knot.
Yeah, you don't want to spray it in your face by accident.
Oh, although I did spray it back. Okay. Okay, the first sniff is it's a pleasant smell, but it's very strong. So let's see. I know it changes.
I'm getting something citrusy, actually.
Oh.
That's nice.
It was citrusy, but this is a little
powdery almost, like baby powder.
It's very fresh, and those are the kind of scents that I like.
It's a sharper smell. Like you know how citrus has like that acidy smell? It's kind of like that, but it's not just citrus. It's also floral, and I like it.
It's not, it's floral, but it's not the strong florals kind of make me sneeze. But,
Yeah. Yeah.
But, I don't know what I'm smelling. Let's see.
It's like a light floral.
I'm going to have to let you look at
Let's
it.
see.
Everything's so tiny, and we've got this bright ring light right here, so it's like, oh, can't see.
Okay. It says, true to its name, this is the perfect perfume for all of your special moments. Weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, you name it. Combines a mix of juicy fruit notes, light floral notes, and warm amber and vanilla notes to create a one-of-a-kind scent you'll wear everywhere. Cool.
Okay, so it does have the fruity
and the floral.
And the vanilla, too. I like...
I can smell that. Let me see. Yeah, now that I know that, I can smell that in there.
It's just a hint of it, but it tones everything down, I think.
Yeah, it keeps it from being so sharp and in your face.
It said just like its name. What's the name besides Catherine?
Special Moments. Special Moments.
Yay!
Cool.
I like this. Does it give a price of the real thing?
Oh wow! The full size version is $110. Wow.
I'll enjoy this.
Yes, it should be a good perfume though. You know.
Yes, it smells so good. Okay.
So my next item, I think this is a nail polish probably. It is. So it is the Belle en Argent. I think that means like beauty and riches, maybe. Love and Attention nail polish. It says it's 8 free, so I think that means it's like free of like those like chemicals.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in some nail polishes that they say to stay away from.
Yeah.
And I believe it because I went and I have not had very many manicures in my life, but the very last one I got was when you graduated from grad school, and I got a manicure and a pedicure, and it took months for my nails to get back. They would just peel, and I don't know if it's because of the chemicals or whatever.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
No, you're good. So this is a very, very light color. I'd say it's probably ivory. Would you say ivory?
Maybe with a touch of pink. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell in this really bright light.
It's called Love and Attention.
It's a pretty Valentine color.
It is a pretty Valentine's color. This is a very Valentine's appropriate bag, even though this is our January bag, right? Not February.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'm excited to wear this color. It'll be nice for my nails, because I like for my toes to be like bright, bold colors, but I like for my nails to be more understated. It looks more professional to me for like, not that it's not professional on some people, but just for me personally, like for school and stuff. So this would be a good color for my nails.
I'm the same way. I like more muted type fingers, but on my toes I like, whew.
Yeah, I'll go so super bold for my toes.
Okay, this feels like a really big sample. Well, not really big, but big.
A good size. That is a good size.
Okay, this is what I chose. This is Salt Scalp Scrub.
Oh, cool.
Salt Scrub
Scab, not scab scrub. Yuck.
Salt Scalp Scrub.
That's so funny.
That's hard to say. Say that 3 times fast. So yeah, I wanted a hair product. I just wanted to see what it would do. And
is this your first hair product from Ipsy too?
No.
I
had that
Brazilian.
Yeah.
And you've gotten several things in like your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus too that have been hair products.
But I hear a lot about healthy scalps, and you know your scalp is something you kind of just
neglect.
Yeah, you forget about it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I know you shampoo and everything, but
right. Does it have a smell?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's like
menthol.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's like it smells like toothpaste.
If you have sinus problems, just
it will clear you right up.
Okay, but hey, I am good. Hey, I don't have a problem with it smelling good on.
I'm not bad.
Okay, Perfume hair product.
Yay!
I like
that is really good. Okay, so my next thing is this was what I chose. I think I'm pretty sure in my for my choice. This is Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleaner by Kinship. I guess Kinship is the brand and Naked Papaya is the scent, I'm guessing. It says a daily non-foaming cream cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens skin without stripping. With a smoothie-like texture, it feels like tropical vacation you deserve.
That's a good thought.
I'm excited to smell this too if it smells like papaya. So this is I think it's a decent size for a sample size. I've seen smaller. And I have been looking for, like, I like trying out cleansers to see what works best with my skin.
And whenever I hear papaya, if I read something about papaya, you always see that word enzymes with it, so it must really be good.
It must have be something. This smells really good.
It came out.
Oh, I didn't mean, yeah. I just squirted a bunch of it out. It smells really nice.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. I don't know what to do. It's all over my fingers now. I'll just rub it into my hands and then rinse them later, I guess.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
It won't hurt.
It's a cleanser. It's not going to hurt me.
Oh. Okay. I also got a nail polish. I got Pretty Woman nail polish, which I think I have received before. There's one nail polish that I have received from Ipsy. Oh, that light is really bright. I don't know if that's even showing up. That I've received from Ipsy that I don't care for, and I don't know if it's this brand or not. I can't
What
remember.
brand is it?
Pretty Woman.
I don't know. I have to see the bottle first. I know what the bottle looks like.
That's true. Oh, it's like a blue. Now that's very different from me.
Yeah, it's light blue though. It's a light.
It is a light blue. I don't know. Now, like we were talking about, that might go on my toes. I don't know about my hands, my fingers, but it's pretty.
That is pretty.
I'll be daring.
Yeah, try it out. See what it looks like.
Oh wow, it's almost a white with a.
It's like a white with a blue tint to it.
Yeah, it's not anything.
I like it.
In your face, you know, as far as.
Yeah, show them that. It's nice.
Can you see that? I always go the wrong direction. Look at that. Okay. There we go.
Okay. Cool. So my next item feels really small. It is Gold Fadden MD. I think we got something by them, or I got something by them really recently. Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate for tired eyes. Now, I have tired eyes because I'm tired a lot. So, this will be nice to have.
She burns the candle at both ends. She's always going.
I really do. I work a lot. This says, apply 1 drop on fingertip and gently pat around the eye area on cleansed skin. So, I guess this is for like nights before you go to bed. Or in the morning when you're getting ready. Cool. Yeah, I'm excited to try this to see if it helps with my dark circles. Do I have lots of dark circles? Okay.
Okay, this looks like a fairly generous
size too. Yeah, that's a big product.
I think I've had this before, the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and I don't mind getting it again. You guys know, if you've watched Ipsy very long with me, you know I love getting hand cream or any kind of moisturizer. So this goes with my body butter from
Perfect. Yeah, it does. She's got a lot of lotion.
Okay, I'm perfectly happy with that.
Yes. So my last item is Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation. So this says it's BB and CC cream, full coverage foundation, and it also has a sunscreen in it, and it says 8 super black essence. The color is light neutral. This is what the container looks like. I'll like swatch it just so you can see how the color looks.
And I like Yensa. I think I had foundation from them before, a different sort, but I really liked it.
Let's see.
And I think they actually commented on our video, somebody.
Okay, so this isn't like the best color that I've gotten, but it's okay. It's not bad. It's actually a little dark on me.
I can't really tell.
But it's not bad. I mean, I think I'll be able to use it. It's not something I won't be able to use.
I like the coverage. I like it looks smooth.
Yeah, well, it does say it's full coverage, so that's nice to have. Like I said, it's always good to get foundation because that's like a big expense. Foundation is a big expense, so for me anyway. So cool.
For you, I watched Darlene D, or D Beauty, and she was reviewing the latest Estee Lauder foundation. It was like $110.
Oh wow.
That should be some good foundation.
That better be good foundation.
All right, I have one more product, and this is Drama Bond.
Ooh.
Drama Bond. It sounds like a
Drama
mascara. Drama bomb.
Drama bomb.
I'm a drama bomb.
You are a drama bomb. No, she's not. She's really not.
Oh, look, that's a pretty package.
It is a pretty package. It's a good size, too.
Oh, I didn't show you this part of it. The drama bomb.
Drama bomb.
Okay, and it looks like, oh wow, I like that applicator. Looks like it would separate the lashes pretty well. And it's a mascara, and mascara's kind of like foundation. I haven't had to buy mascara in 2.5 years.
Yeah,
so
it's been good.
they keep me well supplied at Ipsy, which I'm thankful for.
Oh, yes.
I love my bag. I'm
I'm glad you do. You got a good variety.
I have such a variety of stuff. Excuse me just a minute while I've been down here.
She's picking up her items from her storage spot.
I have, I don't even know how to describe it all. Okay, I have a makeup, a cosmetic item. I have a hand cream item. I have a perfume. I have a hair product item, and I have a nail polish. So
wow.
To me, that is a great variety.
That is fantastic.
I love it when it's...
Yeah.
I do. Okay.
That's
so
amazing.
Very happy.
All right. So I got a decent variety, too. I got, let's see, I got face masks. It's like a skincare item. I got nail polish, so a nail polish item. I got a cosmetic item. I got some, I guess this would qualify as skincare, the Bright Eyes skincare. And then I got another skincare item for this facial cleanser. So I got a lot of skincare items, which makes me happy because I like to try to take care of my skin because my skin is naturally pretty like oily and blotchy and red. So it's nice to have all this stuff to help tackle all that.
You know, I really think in the last several months, Ipsy has done, for us, I don't know about how y'all feel about it, but I really think they've done good by us.
They've like upped their game. Yeah, not that they were bad before, but like it's gotten even better.
Yeah, and so I'm seeing a lot of new products, new brands, and yeah, it is definitely worth I think it's $12.
Yes.
Definitely worth the $12.
For shot. For shot. When did I say that? For sure. Don't know where that came from.
Like we said, we got to get back in the groove.
Yeah, teacher brain right here.
But that is our Ipsy comment. If you got Ipsy, comment in the comments and let us know if you put up a video about it so we can go and we can watch yours as well. So, I thought you were gonna say something.
No, just
love it.
Yeah, just love it.
Just love it. But yeah, so give us a thumbs up if you like Ipsy, if you like this video, and we would love to have you subscribe if you haven't.
Please do. Give us a like.
Yeah, we have met some outstanding, wonderful people.
There are some great people
through this community. So, and we say hello to y'all.
Hi y'all.
But I think that's everything, and I don't think we mentioned that we're having a hard time finding somewhere to video because the room that we started out trying to make our video room, which we started it in the pandemic hit, and we kept waiting to like furnish it and stuff like that. Well, right now it has all our Christmas stuff in it.
We still haven't taken our Christmas stuff down.
We've taken some of it down, but we still have to put it up in the attic and everything.
Yeah.
So we've been trying. The boys are in the den where we video when we're not videoing in the other room. So,
right.
So we were just trying to find somewhere.
There came my yawn. I lasted almost the whole video without yawning. And then
you did, but it wouldn't have been one of our videos if you didn't. So
that's true.
Here we go. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Well, until next time, we hope y'all have a wonderful week, and hopefully we'll see you sometime. I'm not sure when.
That's right. Sooner rather than later.
That's right.
Y'all take care.
Bye-bye.